Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is me again, Mia. And today, please join me as I unbox the newest package that I got from Colourpop Cosmetics, which I bought in collaboration with Hello Kitty Day last November 1 because Hello Kitty recently celebrated her anniversary, and I've got dibs on the newest collection from Colourpop Cosmetics. And I also got the pretty set of brushes from Forever 21 last Thanksgiving Day. So please join me unbox these awesome goodies. Hi guys, so today is the moment of truth. Here is the package from Colourpop Cosmetics, which I got last Monday. This I bought from the Colourpop Cosmetics website last November 1 because November 1, Hello Kitty celebrated her anniversary, and this is part of the limited edition collection of the Hello Kitty and Colourpop collaboration. So, yun. When you open the box, meron siyang mga stuffers. And here is the Hello Pretty kit. I also got the Supercute Ultra Lip Gloss and the Coin Purse Super Shock Chic. It also comes with a little brochure. I think it has tips and tricks on how to use their makeup. And this one is super cute. Hi loves! Here's a cheesy card of XO Colourpop. And this is a thank you card from Colourpop Cosmetics. So again guys, Colourpop Cosmetics released their Hello Kitty collection last November 1 in LA. Actually, medyo napuyat ako kasi 1 a.m. here in the Philippines and 10 a.m. there sa States siya ni-launch. So, they have different collections of eyeshadows, blushers, lip gloss, lip tint, lipsticks, I'm not sure of highlighters, and also highlighters. So, I only got basic stuff. Actually, hindi naman siya basic, pero kasi meron siyang kit. Tapos, kailan kasi, gusto ko kasi, I can reach the $50 limit purchase because for $50 and up, there is free international shipping. So, yun yung promo nila. I think hanggang December 30, I'm not sure about it. Can check na lang www.colourpopcosmetics.com for more details. So anyway, here is the Hello Pretty Face Kit. It has Juicy Apple, sticker sheet, bento box, yummy cookies, fun with friends, Katie, and ribbon products. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Please note that the packaging is for reals. Ito talaga yung goals. Ang cute, sobrang cute. Parang ayaw ko na nga siyang buksan. But anyway, ayan. Here is the packaging. This is how it looks like. Ayan. And meron siyang mirror. And nakalagay ColourpopXHelloKitty. So, yun nga yung name ng collaboration niya. This is the bento box, sticker sheet, juicy apple, yummy cookies, fun with friends. These are the blushers. These are the eyeshadows. This is the Katie, I think lip gloss. This is the ribbon lipstick. Yeah, ultra matte lipstick. This is the glossy lip. And kasi nga, kailangan ko ngang mag-purchase for hanggang $50 and up. Pero meron din naman akong coupon code para lang malis. So, parang yung purchase ko, naging $51 lahat. Which dapat, I think, mga $58. So, I also got this coin purse Super Shock Chic Matte Blusher. I think this is $8. And I think this is $6. Ito yung Super Cute. Super cute yung name niya. Super cute na ultra glossy lip. This is how it looks. So here is the box of the Hello Pretty Colourpop Hello Kitty face kit. It has, again, juicy apple, sticker sheet, bento box, yummy cookies, fun with friends, Katie, and ribbon lippies. So here is how it looks like. This is the bento box. I'll shade it for you. Yeah. This is how it looks like. Then we have the sticker sheet. It's also a Super Shock shadow, eyeshadow. Okay. I'm not sure if the camera is giving it justice, but here it is. This is how it's swatched. And we have the Juicy Apple Super Shock Shadow. This is how it looks like. I'm not sure if this is super pigmented, but this is how I got it. Ayan. Bagay siya for, I don't know, if you're channeling the mermaid look. Yeah, I think this one is the eyeshadow for you. Then, sorry, medyo nadumihan ko na siya. Also included in the kit is the Super Shock Chic Fun with Friends blusher. This is how it looks like, and swatch. Yeah. It isn't swatched. Sorry, kakatanggal ko lang yung 3 eyeshadows na I swatched earlier. And then we have the Yummy Cookies Super Shock Chic. This is also a blusher. And yan, medyo parang ano siya, bronzer. I think this is perfect for morena skin tone. And again, as I've said earlier, not included in the kit is the coin purse Colourpop Hello Kitty Super Shock Chic. This is also a blusher. This is not included, and I just bought it para lang mag-reach ako ng $50 and up. Pero natuwa kasi ko sa shade niya kasi medyo pinkish siya. And yan, di ba? Super cute. Sobrang cool ng shade niya. And last but not the least, we have the I think this is the Katie Ultra Glossy Lip. I'll shade it for you. Siya. Yan, ganyan yung shade niya. So, medyo lip gloss siya. And dito siya matanggal. This is the Ultra Matte Lippy. This name is the Ribbon. It's also included in the kit. Yan. Ang ganda. Super reddish na medyo pinkish ng konti. So, there. I also got one lippy. Yun yung super cute kasi I should reach the $50 purchase because I'm cheap like that. So, this is how it looks like. Diba? Super cute. Pink naman yung ano niya, yung base niya. Kasi I think the Kitty is medyo on the yellowish side. So, this is the super cute. This is the Kitty. And this is the ribbon. Ultra matte lippy. So, there goes the Colourpop Hello Kitty collection. This one I got for $42. This one, I think, $8. And I think the lippy is $6. So, worth it. Sobrang worth it yung ano niya. Yung price point niya. And I got it for free yun sa shipping niya because they have international shipping na free hanggang I think last day of December. I'm not sure. Please check na lang their website. And aside from that, I also wanted to show you the cutest cosmetic brushes that I got from Forever 21. This is 505, ayan, 505 pesos. Tools and accessories, rose gold brushes. Actually, natuwa ako kasi ang ganda nung handles niya. And, hindi ko pa siya na-open actually. Lately lang. Yun, medyo soft yung brushes niya. So, yan. Last Thanksgiving, they had also a 10% sale. So, I got this for $450 na lang. Mga ganun yung price niya. So, yan. This is how it looks like and I'm so excited to use them kasi sobrang cute niya. Most of my brushes kasi are black. So, I think ito pa lang yung first time na gagamit ako ng ganitong color and ganitong shade. Lately kasi I love rose gold. Like my bracelet. So, yon.